Train Adventure Part 2. We left our hotel and headed to York Rail Museum.
Look at how big this is.
We didn't realise that half the museum was closed for works.
Scots.
It was a shopping
I don't know. What does it say?
What's it say at that red sign up
I
there?
don't know.
It's still full of
Cheltenham?
amazing
Cheltenham. This was the track that they used to drive on.
Yeah.
You don't have to be
I
a
see
biggest
Jane.
train enthusiast to enjoy these amazing, beautiful trains.
Please.
What else
See what's in this.
goes up?
Nothing.
Looking in the old carriages. We look forward to going back and seeing the rest of it open. It's more than twice this size. We still had a great morning looking at trains. I think this one is my favourite.
What is it?
This area was amazing, but could have been done with being better lit. A lot of the
That's
exhibits
a lot
were
of
so
train
dark
treasure.
in the casings you couldn't see all the beautiful detail inside. It was a shame. I would like to have seen this area lit better. There's lots of beautiful things to look at in here. And lots of model trains. The museum does have a working railway model coming up soon. This was the boys' favourite part. We spent the longest time watching the model trains. Love this one. Look at the size of that. And here's the model trains. We spent a long time in here. A lot of people passed through. The boys sat and watched these trains. There are different trains. The boys were absolutely mesmerised. Beautiful display and very well. Definitely worth a visit if you've got train fans. Even if you're just in York.
That's a part of the National Railway Museum.
Because the museum is smaller we decided to spend a day visiting York in the city.
I will be done on Earth as it is in
The time is very busy. Very London. Very beautiful. Exploring the city. I highly recommend York as a visit for our families. Beautiful.